So specific to medical and life sciences, you're seeing a lot of product manipulation, i.e. material handling. So in the biofill, I can't necessarily use customers per se, but it's in taking and filling vials, mass producing. Some of the drugs that are manufactured these days are in high use by diabetic users. A lot of tools that they utilize, they're in high demand, and the demand's causing a need throughout the market that can't necessarily be done with a human factor. So the deployment of robotics allows for this, and automation in general.